Hello everyone, welcome again on DevStack channel, and in this video we're going to set up our React project. So in this video series we're going to use the React with the TypeScript. Along with we're going to use a component library called MaterialUI for this project. Okay, so if you don't know about the TypeScript or component library, so I have a video, and with help of this video you can understand about what is the TypeScript and what is the difference between the TypeScript and JavaScript, okay, and why we use TypeScript in modern day. Okay, along with I have a second video which will help you to understand about the component and the component library in React. Okay, so I will put these two video link in the description. Just go and find the video link and just watch it. It is not a prerequisite, but it will help you to understand about the TypeScript and the component library. Okay, now let's go and set up our project. To set up our project, you should have installed the Node.js in your system. So I have a installation video link also. I will put that link on the description, which will help you to install the Node.js on your Linux or Windows system. I haven't created a video for Mac OS, but I will put a original website link which have a instruction of how to install the Node.js on your system. Okay, so installing a Node.js is prerequisite. I think you should have it first to move ahead with the React. Okay, so let's go and set up our React project with TypeScript template. So this is the create React app official page, and we have a command to install the React along with the TypeScript. Okay, I will just copy this thing because I have installed the Node.js on my system. Then I will go here and I will just paste it. Remember, just change the name of the project. Instead of using the my app, I'm going to use it as a WhatsApp web, and it will install all the dependency like all the packages which is necessary to work with the React. It will take couple of time. Till that I will pause the video. So now our React app is installed, and you can see a folder created WhatsApp web, which was our project name. So if I will go here inside our WhatsApp web directory, cd WhatsApp web, and open my VS Code, then you will find all the setup are done. Package.json is now created with help of the React latest version, and along with that the source folder is now created, and you can see all the necessary file which is required for initial setup is now created. All the extension you can see is .tsx because we are using the TypeScript, which means everything is working fine. Now what we need to do, we need to install the component library as well. For our case, we are using the MaterialUI. Let's go on a browser, and here you will find the page name of the MaterialUI. I will put this link in the video description, and here we have a code to set up the MaterialUI with the React tab. I just need to copy this thing. What I will do then, I will go in the terminal, and you will find that I am inside the WhatsApp web directory where we have the package.json file, and I will just paste the code which I copied and hit enter. Till that I will do one thing. I will run this app on our local host. To run our app on our local host, you have to use the npm start, and it will run our app on a local host 3000 port. So if I will go here, I will use the local host 3000. Then you will find the React app is working right now, and you will find the logo of React along with this thing. If I will go on a terminal, which means the installation is completed, let me go here and let's use the MaterialUI component with help of the button. Let me just use the MaterialUI button to just test everything working fine or not. If I will hit the Control S, so if I will go here, then you will find this is the MaterialUI component button which we just used. So okay, test 1 2 3. So everything is working fine. So now the setup of the MaterialUI with the TypeScript is completed. So now we can start writing our code and start on the UI part of the WhatsApp web. We have to set up our base UI. This is the screenshot of the base UI. We have a app bar, or we can see a navigation bar. We have a left panel, we have a right panel. So let's work on this thing and start creating the UI stuff first. First we will create all the UI stuff, then we will think to integrate this whole thing with the backend with help of the SocketIo. Okay, so till that, please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. I need your support to make such videos. Thank you all. Happy coding.